Hello everyone. Today, I'll review a computer case, which was purchased for myself. Recently, I've created a new computer for my personal use. I thought it will be better if I make review videos of my PC components. So, this video is about the casing of my computer. Let's start from the pricing. This is called Dark Ranger, a budget gaming case from Gamemax. This casing costs about $50. Though, there are other casings available within this price range, but, after analyzing everything, I've decided to purchase this one. Anyway, let's see all the characteristics of this case, and what else comes with it. Inside the box there was casing only, and it was well packed. All the accessories was given inside the case. So, at first, let's see what other components comes with the case. There is a package given inside it. This package contains all the screws for motherboard, power supply, hard drive and others. And yes, there was also a VGA holder given inside the package. At the end, there was a user manual given inside the hard drive bay. Now, moving on to the characteristics. This is a micro ATX casing. So, it supports both micro ATX and mini ATX boards. Moreover, up to 330mm length of GPUs, and up to 155mm heights of CPU cooler will fit inside this case. This case supports 3 120mm of cooling fan, 2 on the top and 1 on the rear. And yes, this case comes with a pre-installed RGB rainbow cooling fan. It's a 120mm fan, but it's not an addressable RGB fan. Which means, the built-in LEDs of this fan cannot be controlled. This fan has only one color mode, which is rainbow. Moreover, it's a PWM fan and it has a 3-pin connector. This comes with a removable magnetic dust filter on the top and bottom. The bottom one is not magnetic, but it's removable. On the front panel, there are one USB 3.1 Gen 1, 2 USB 2.0, 2 3.5mm port for microphone and headphone, 1 power, and 1 restart button given. This case supports 2 hard drive and 2 SSD. I think it's enough for maximum people. When it comes to design, I'll say it's a minimalistic case. On the front, there is a simple design made by drilling. It helps a little for airflow and ventilation. The rear side panel is not completely plain, it has a nice Gamemax logo punched on it. Moreover, the tempered glass of this case is little bit heavy and thick. And the VGA holder that comes with the case was a good one. Moreover, on the case, there was screw holes given to install the VGA holder. Anyway, after thinking about my regular use and others, I've purchased this case. Though, this casing doesn't support fans on the front, but still my average CPU temperature was 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. I'm not an extreme user, so this case is okay for me and my office. Hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Stay innovative.